iced peppermint white chocolate mocha.
It can really only mean one thing. The holidays, they're here. What's up everyone? Today we're gonna be unboxing my brand new chair, the Ergo Max 747 from Odinlake. And let me tell you, I'm pretty excited. So you can already see my office space is behind me. I have a full-on desk that both Keiko and I work on. I'm rocking the original L1 Ergo upgrade 518 from Odinlake that they sent me. If you wanna learn more about that, you can click this video right here where I do a quick unboxing and review showing you everything about that chair. You might be noticing that Keiko is missing a chair in her spot. We are completely getting full Odinlake chairs in the office now. The whole style, the aesthetic is going to be the same. Huge shout out to Odinlake for sending that over. You guys are making my spot that much better. So very excited to add this new chair to the office space. Let's go ahead and unbox this chair and go through all the top features the Ergo Max 747 has to offer.
You guys didn't think there was gonna be a chair inside that box, right? That's pretty much it when it comes to the Ergo Max 747 from Odinlake. It's a fairly simple setup. Odinlake did also send an additional accessory that can be added to this chair. If you are somebody who wants to kick back, relax, and extend your legs out like this and have support for your legs, you're gonna wanna attach this additional accessory here. Extend this out. Oh, yo. That's crazy. As great as the OG L1 that I got back there is, this is next level. I just wish I had a little bit more room back in my corner to be able to do this while I'm playing video games, because this is nice. So now that we got the unboxing and the full setup of this chair, I'm gonna throw it back into my office space, jump on the sticks a little bit, play some Call of Duty with my friends, and just get a good feel for this chair and give you guys some feedback tomorrow along with all the features that I'm loving about this chair. So I've been using this chair for a couple days now when it comes to editing, watching YouTube videos, and of course gaming, and there's a lot that surprised me. This is really going to be an upgrade when you compare it to the L1 Ergo 518 in all the best ways. Like I mentioned before, that chair really helped fix my back pain that I was experiencing and really created a comfortable experience every time I used it. But this chair right here really takes that experience to a whole nother level. Not only does this one feel super sturdy, gives premium and quality support all throughout my back, but most importantly for me, it's extremely comfy. Let's go over some of the top features that you should know about when considering this chair. Number one is that it's going to have a 3-section split backrest. This is going to give you support for 3 different sections of your back, which is perfect for content creators or gamers who find themselves sitting for long hours. There's also going to be a C-shaped dynamic lumbar support, which will help prop your lower back into a forward position, giving you better posture and most importantly, less back pain. Another really great feature is that this chair has the wire control mechanism. This system eliminates levers that force you to twist and turn just to figure out what lever does what. You can pretty much adjust your entire chair with a simple pull of the tab. Now this next feature I absolutely love, and that's because it's going to be the locking backrest. Built with premium aluminum alloy, this tilt system is created for next level stability, giving you confidence to relax at any position. From 90 degrees up to 135 degrees, you'll have a sturdy, well-built chair that always feels premium. And with the addition of the leg rest, you'll find yourself literally kicking back and relaxing. Another super important feature that's across all Odinlake chairs is going to be the Flex Breath Mesh material. Now this is a Korean mesh that is made with certified eco-friendly materials that is breathable, keeping you cool every time you sit down. And the last feature is going to be these armrests. These are 4D adjustable, giving you flexibility to adjust based on your preferred movements when working or gaming. Now it's great to note that this chair here is one of Odinlake's premium chairs, which means it is going to be a little bit pricier than the L1 Ergo 518. But it is going to be better
in all the best ways. Like I mentioned before, the L1 Ergo really helped fix my back pain that I was experiencing. But to be honest, this one just takes that experience to a whole nother level. Not only is this chair sturdier, provides more support throughout my entire back, but most importantly, it's extremely comfy. I get it, it's a premium chair, but like that saying goes, you get what you pay for. Now here's why I love Odinlake, is that they're always offering deals throughout the entire year, truly making it feel like the holidays are year round. So if you're a gamer or content creator who's looking to pick up a premium chair for your office space, definitely check out Odinlake. I'll drop some links down into the description covering everything Odinlake, and of course this chair, the Ergo Max 747. Thank you guys again for checking this one out, and of course thank you Odinlake for sending over this chair. I feel like I got my whole office space ready to go. Everything looks sleek in design, and we're ready to create for the new year. Hopefully you learned something new about this chair and will consider it when looking for your next office chair. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.